Ningbo AOKE Office Equipment Company Limited is a global designer of linear actuators, lifting columns, height-adjustable desks, mobile pedestals, and other ergonomic accessories. We have been designing high-quality products since 2012. With over 23,000 square meters of cooperated factory space, we use high-end production equipment such as laser cutters, robotic welders, automatic CNC bending machines, automatic punches, automated powder coating paint lines, and a cutting-edge inspection laboratory. This investment in precision manufacturing and quality assurance guarantee us high efficiency and make sure our customers are provided with high-quality products. Our products are manufactured in a safe, efficient, and process-driven manufacturing environment. AOKE enforces strict manufacturing guidelines, meeting efficient and high-quality standards. We achieve best-in-class quality and are backed by CE, UL 962, BIFMA, FCC, ROS, EN 527, EMC, CAS, SAA, CB, PSE, GECA certifications and compliances. Backed by an innovative and well-trained R&D team, extensive production capacity, and professional sales teams, AOKE empowers customers around the world to enjoy a more health-conscious workplace. With a strict commitment to green, health, and comfort, AOKE is devoted to supplying high-quality products at competitive prices, together backed by a reputation for high levels of customer service to our clients. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company. Thank you.